What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog today. So we started a little bit late, but I'm gonna cook some stuff up right now. We're about to make some French toast. I'm gonna make some first for the first time. It's gonna be fire. For that, we're gonna need some ground cinnamon. We're gonna need some ground nutmeg. We're gonna need sugar. We're gonna need sugar. I know where's the sugar. Hold up. Oh. It's empty. We're gonna need sugar, lots of it. We're gonna need butter, tablespoon. We got a table, we got a spoon. We got some eggs, we got some milk. And we also got the vanilla extract. And we got our big old loaf of breads. So first step, we gotta butter the pan. Why is it so warm already?
You had it on the whole
time. Turn it off. I turned it off. So we're gonna go ahead and
turn it
butter
off,
the pan.
but yet I see blue.
So we're gonna go ahead and drop it like it's hot. And then we're gonna let it melt. So we're just gonna prep it real quick.
I'm pretty...
I'm cooking here. Alright, this is a cooking with Jayteezzy at the TapVlogs house. We're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Ground cinnamon. Tablespoon. A bowl to mix it all up. And then we try the cinnamon challenge. No, I'm just kidding. So there you go. 1 tablespoon. Actually, it was a little bit. I could add a little bit more. So there you go. 1/4 tablespoon of nutmeg.
How's your butter?
Good.
Oh. Teaspoon, not table.
We have the small one.
Yeah.
Small one. I might need to dump a little bit of this. It's okay, don't worry about it.
You put a tablespoon? Oh my god. Just put a whole teaspoon to even out the taste.
Yeah. Hey, I'm the one cooking here, right?
I said teaspoon.
I already added a tablespoon earlier.
But it says 1/4 of a teaspoon. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I know what you're saying, and I know what I'm doing. And it's the right thing. Don't listen to her. She's trying to steal my show.
I'm just trying to help you out.
I need to promote my business and do it on budget. I make that happen. Business cards.
Okay.
Is that the stuff that smells like Christmas?
Yeah. 2 tablespoons of sugar. That should be easy.
Oh
1.
my god, into the butter.
It's gonna be good butter. 2 ish. Okay, now we're gonna have 4 tablespoons of butter. See, I was just mixing it already with the sugar.
So more butter.
1. 2 ish. 3, 4.
I think it's very important to encourage kids to get outside.
That's 4 right there. I already had a lot of everything, so we're gonna do this
That's
much.
cool, that's cool, that's cool.
We're gonna do this much of milk.
No.
Some good milk. Next, we're gonna have a half a teaspoon of vanilla extracto. This is the good stuff. There you go. Half a teaspoon. Oh, that's strong. And that's it. Then you're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna be right back once I have everything mixed up for you guys. And then we obviously can't forget the eggs.
Which
4 of them.
forgot.
All right, now we're gonna mix everything up and then get ready
We'll get back
for
to
the
you
bread.
again.
Then once you know most of the stuff has been mixed in place, you get your loaf of breads ready, and then you gotta check up on your pan with the butter that should be melted up already. But before we begin, just wanna add a little bit more of the good stuff, just because. And that should be good to go. Let's get started. Let me add a little. I know what I'm doing. None can help me.
She's like, what?
She doesn't even know what you're making. He's trying to make
French toast.
I'm not trying, I am.
Yeah.
What's this?
Cinnamon, egg, butter,
New batter. Bought us
vanilla.
the French toast.
It looks good, huh?
She's like, what is that?
So, just keep in mind, this is my first time doing this. I'm going in here blind.
Laughing at you.
Didn't watch a video, not following directions or anything. Just winging it all completely. So get your bread.
Do it over there so it doesn't.
I'm just showing what
Okay.
I'm doing.
No.
So you're gonna just
Hurry, the
dip
bread
it.
is gonna soak it up hella fast.
Go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and cook it until it gets nice and golden brown. You can flip it to the side and do the same. Good. Looking pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and just flip it. Ooh. Looking bomb already.
A lot of butter. No, it's soaked in butter.
So a couple minutes are passed. This was the first one that I made. It looks pretty good to go. I just dropped the second one in there and just finishing up a couple more real quick, and then in about 5 more minutes we should have at least 3, so we can all have one, and then we'll see how it really came out. But you know, it's my first time, so if it comes out good, then I won't be surprised because I'm a natural, and we'll see. Stuff. Cinnamon. What was I say? Cinnamon rolls?
French toast.
French toast. You want one?
She's over here making apple pie. Alright, let's see what we're getting ourselves into.
You put a lot of nutmeg.
Let's see. Presentation's pretty okay. Let's see. Alright, so I just realized that I didn't even get to rate Jayteezzy's French toast last night, and I would give it a 7 out of 10. It was good, but obviously there was overpowering of nutmegs, and it was okay for his first time, and which is great because I was actually really craving for French toast, and you know what, he delivered. He out of love and he tried to make it. Thank you again, babe. And so again, I'm sorry that we didn't end the video. That was just our video for yesterday. We didn't get to vlog.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another ending of the vlog on the present day. We didn't obviously end the vlog last night. We pretty much just ended up eating the French toast that was bomb, and after that we kind of just, everybody was full and got tired and then knocked out. Well, actually I went to the gym, but they knocked out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like the video, share it, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.